Domain flipping tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can flip domains and make $100 or $200 every single day or every single month. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto this website called expireddomains.net, and basically over here we can find different types of domains. So basically, if you don't know what expired domains are, these are domains that people forgot to renew when they bought it for the first time, and they forgot to make its payment, so they became available, basically expired. And we have drop domains, basically the ones that have, like, deleted the domains, they don't want to do with it, they find their other careers, they forgot their website. So basically these are what expired domains and drop domains are. So in this website you can find different domains as well. Now, why would you need to flip domains? Well, it's pretty simple. Let's say that there is a domain which is very expensive on GoDaddy, but let's say someone purchased it later on, and then they forgot about it, or they decided to end their subscription, so it became expired or deleted, which means it became available. Then that domain's price will drop as well. Then you can find that domain for a cheaper price, and then you can sell it for a higher amount of income. Then you can sell that domain for a higher amount, and it's pretty simple. So let's assume that you found a domain for $10 or maybe $20, right? And it's a pretty decent domain and it's really good. Now you've found it for $20 because it was expired. Now you can go ahead and sell it for $200 or maybe $100 or maybe $300. Depends upon the domain. If it's a good domain, then you can go ahead and sell it for thousands of dollars. That's how basically domain flipping works, and that's how you can find different types of domains very cheap. So this is the website. Over here, what you're going to do is you're going to simply sign up, and once you click on the sign up button, just enter in your username, your password, repeat your password and email, and you're good to go. Now I've already signed up. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'll catch you guys in a second. So once you've logged in, this is how it looks like, right? This is the dashboard, and over here you get all of your stuff. You get all the information: deleted domain, marketplace domain, research list, filters, ATFs, and all of the other cool stuff as well. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to come over here at the top right corner, and we're going to search for a domain, right? So let's say we are searching for a consultant type of domain: consultant.com, consultantbiz.com, stuff like that, right? So let's search for consultant. You search for it over here, as you can see in the keyword, and then over here all these different domains are available to us. And over here on the right hand side, we can see their availability. Those that have been sold or are available to be purchased, they are marked as make offer. But those that are available or that have been deleted, they are marked as available over here. And over here on the upper bar, we can see all of the other details, such as LE, basically the number of characters in this domain. So there are a total of 10 characters in this domain, right? Consultant.fm. Then we have BLDP. Then we have WBY, which is like the birth year of the domain, and the ABY, ACR, MMG, and the registrations over here as well. The number of TLD the domain is registered. So it's pretty simple. And then we have the .com, the .net, the .org, the .biz, the .info, and the .de domains as well. And these indicators, the red and green dot, is going to indicate us whether it's available or not. So if it's in red, meaning that this consultant.fm.com is not available, but .biz is available because it's in green. So .coms are not available, .biz are available. Now we can go ahead and apply a filter. Let's say I click on the .com ones. We want to look at the .com ones because they sell the most easily and are very, very helpful, and they look very nice, and they have a higher price as well. So we click over here, and as you can see, we have all these different domains that are available. And over here on the left hand side, we can see their names. Now some of these domains don't really look good, so we can skip these. We can skip to the pages, and there are about 10,000 pages, and we can see all of the domains. So let me just skip to the plus 50 pages. Maybe we can find a good one. So okay, so .coms one are starting. So as you can see, skyworthconsultants.com. So basically this was a company which was Skyworth, and they had a consultant company, skyworthconsultants.com, and it had been deleted, which probably indicates that they maybe have shut down, or this dot, and it's available in the .com, .net, .org, .biz, .info, and .de. So you can go ahead and buy this one as well. And of course, it's gonna be cheap. So if I click on the availability, or just simply click on this domain, and we go over to GoDaddy.com or Namecheap.com as well. Let's go ahead and go open up Namecheap.com as well, and we can see this domain is worth for around 19, almost 2,000 rupees, which is like 20-ish dollars. So $20 over here. And the skyworthconsultants.co is worth around 2,000, which is like 20-ish dollars as well. And on Namecheap, it's available for $8. So as you can see, it's much, cheaper. Over here, as you can see, skyworthconsultant.com, $8 on Namecheap, and on GoDaddy, it's around the exact same price, I would say. So over here, as you can see, $9 or maybe something, right? Let's say 2,000, just to be safe. So as you can see, $10 on GoDaddy, right? This was the price over here, and almost $8 over here, which is like $9. Let's say $9 on Namecheap. So $1 difference, but as you can see, if you can get it for cheaper, you can go ahead and buy it for cheaper on Namecheap. And then once you've bought it, you can go ahead and sell it. So as you can see, Bad Breath Consultants and Immigrations, chargebackconsultant.com, ThinkSoft, Labor Consultant, laborconsultant.com. Okay, that's not labor, that's Labrador Consultant. So as you can see, it's pretty amazing. Let's go ahead and check out some other ones as well. Now, if you're just simply looking for a domain, basically you want to find a domain that is, towards a specific niche or stuff, so that you can go ahead and sell them online. So how do you basically find them is like, if you're wondering there's a website where you can find them, well, there is. And this website is called namebio.com. Over here, you basically enter in the keyword of that website, then it's going to generate some websites for you, and you can probably see how much they have been sold for. So since we're searching for consultant website, right, like let's say this is the skyworthconsultant.com, right? Let's go ahead and search for this one. We paste it over here and we search for it, then it's going to show us everything. So okay, so it's not available, but let's get rid of the .com. Okay, it's not showing, but let's just simply search for consultants. But let's go ahead and search for simply consultant. Now over here, as you can see, okay, so over here, as you can see, consultant, so we have all these different ones, and we can see they're selling for a higher price. So maybe if we click on the price, maybe like low to high, so as you can see, at the lowest we get $100. So you can easily sell a consultant domain for $100, and the maximum is 25,000 over here. So you can easily make a lot of money, anywhere between 100 to thousands of dollars easily, right? It's very simple. Same thing over here. You just simply find, like as you can see over here, Miami SEO consultant. We also have Apex consultants, which is pretty cool and really nice as well. So as you can see, it was deleted. So let's go ahead and skip like a few more pages. Maybe we'll find something else. So as you can see, we also have these ones as well. Your own business consultant. These are also available. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. You just simply find and search for different keywords so that you can search for it. Okay, so maybe let's say fitness, right? Or something like that. Maybe like a service. Let's go ahead and search for service. Okay, maidservice.com, that's 45,000, but yeah, as you can see, we get emailservices.com. Okay, we can find some pretty decent domains of this price. So let's go ahead and come over here onto expired domains and just simply search for service. All right, so over here, let's go ahead and search for .coms, ambulance rescue service, .de, that's also available, as you can see over here. Let's go ahead and skip like the first 50 pages. It's just a lot of things over here. Okay, so I searched services instead of service. I thought maybe that would be good, and it was. So as you can see, snbservices.com, we have smjservices.com. We have all these different ones that we can buy easily. And over here, as you can see, these are basically all the flippers over here, as you can see. So these are basically the guys who are making the profits over here. As you can see, these domains were probably very cheap. I would say maybe like $100 to $200. And then they basically bought them, and now they're selling them for thousands of dollars. So Stevens Home Services. So if there was a guy who was trying to make a website on his name, let's say his name was Stevens, and stevenshomeservices.com is available for $15.95, so almost like $1,600. So this is what I was talking about. A lot of people are actually buying these types of domains. So let me actually search for here. There we go. Now let's go ahead and skip some pages and show you how cool these domains are. Over here, as you can see, we have Cox English Services. I believe that's what it is. And then we have Creative Host Services. We have Creative In-Home Services, creativeservicesonline.com. So as you can see, a bunch of different domains, very easy and very popular domains. And we can see all of their information over here. And over here at the top, you can also find a bunch of different other ones. If you wanted like the .com, ones that have recently been deleted. So as you can see, like cinogals.com or minisupermac.com, all these different websites have recently been deleted. As you can see, yesterday, a day ago, these are basically dropped ones. mycopyrightcontact.com, also a day ago, now available. As you can see over here, if I click on that button, let's go ahead and see over here on GoDaddy. Again, simply around $20 or $10, actually, sorry, not 20, around $10, very cheap. And then you can go ahead and buy it, and then you can sell it for $100. Pretty amazing. And this one as well, it has only 11 characters. steinacres.com, pretty decent domain and very easy to remember as well. So you can go ahead and find these ones and you can sell them online. Pretty easy. So basically this is it, right? You find these domains with the help of this website called Name in Bio, or Name Bio. Sorry, not Name in Bio, it's Name Bio. Namebio.com. You find different keywords on different websites. Over here you search for those websites on expired domains, you buy them, and then you put them on the market for a higher price. Basically you're flipping it. So this is how you do it, and it's pretty simple. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.